Hello everyone, myself Kurbasha once again welcomes you to our Panasonic YouTube channel and Mind the Chef in You. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful sweet dish, and the machine in which I am going to show you the recipe is a 27 liters Panasonic microwave oven. So today's recipe is Moong Dal Halwa, and let's have a look what are the ingredients we are using today. So we take here 200 grams of coarsely ground moong dal, which I have soaked for around 4 to 5 hours and then grind it in mixer grinder. Few cashew nuts for garnishing, sugar as per taste, 2 teaspoons of ghee. Here I have taken whole cardamoms and a pinch of salt. And last but not the least is milk. I am going to prepare the recipe in this square glass bowl. The first ingredient that I am using is ghee. 2 teaspoons of ghee. Elaichi. I'll just keep it for 2 minutes in microwave mode. Two minutes is over. Now let's take out the ball. Now I'm going to add this coarsely ground moong dal to this ghee. Let's mix it nicely. Mix it thoroughly. And let's keep it again for 1 minute in microwave mode. 1 minute and start. Yes, our 1 minute is over. I'm going to take it out. Now the moong dal and the ghee is nicely mixed. So here I'm going to use castor sugar. I'm not telling you any kind of measurement, because sugar and salt always depends on our individual taste. Now the last ingredient I'm adding is the milk. Mix the dal with the milk nicely. To balance the taste of sugar, I am using here a pinch of salt. Now let's put the food inside the oven, again in microwave mode for 5 minutes. Start. Let's take out the halwa from the oven. Done now. Here is my moong dal recipe, which is now complete and garnished with cashew nuts. Hope you find the recipe helpful, and see you again next in my next video. Till then, goodbye.
Panasonic.